In today's, I'm going to show you how to convert JPG to PNG. So the first thing to do in your PC is head over to File Explorer and locate the photo PG file that you would like to convert to PNG. Click on it, then right click. Next is hover your mouse on Open With and choose Photos. Now, once your photo opens up Photos file or app, look for the Edit button at the top left and click on it. Now, from here, click on the Save Options drop down button and click on Save as Copy. Now, for the file type, make sure that you change it from JPG to PNG. You also have an option to change the file name, and once done, click on the Save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!